Good morning, Bat World. Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. I wanted to start my series of videos on our 1966 Tiki Bug. This will be several videos. I'm gonna go over all the different parts of this. This is kind of an introductory video. I just wanna walk around the car and kind of show you what it is. I'm going to remove the racks today. I do want to show that they are all rubber pinches on all these, so I don't expect to see any problems with the rail, any chips like that. All the Safari windows are operational. This Bug has 1915 cc engine in it. It runs fantastically. Lots of little touches I'm sure you guys have seen. I'll do a video about the air ride. I'll do a stereo video, and anything else you guys might ask for. There are no exterior door handles on this car. It was primarily for show. So you just reach in and open it with the handle. I will undo the front area. I will lift up the tire and show you guys underneath that too. It is strapped down, so that will probably be in a video all on its own. The car is in its down position right now. It has an air lift or drop in the front, but nothing in the back. It's set up for it, but it just lowers and raises from the front. It runs a compressor. And I'll show you guys how that works in another video. I may as well just do a cold start now. So we've got probably low 40s in the shop. Couple pumps. Needs to warm up a little bit probably. I've got my foot kind of, half a centimeter onto the pedal, letting it get warm. It does run well. It does not smoke. It does not drip any oil. It's probably still a little cold, but it's staying running for now. It's a great little driver too. The way that this, I'll go ahead and do the lift too. So when you turn on the car, it has a compressor that fills, and then you lift both the shocks. I don't know if you can tell me going up now. The compressor has kicked back on. I think I'm about as high up as I go. So you can hear the compressor kicking on. It goes to fill. So you're ready. And that's the up position. And you can set it anywhere in the middle as well. All right, guys, I'm happy to film more videos and pictures, but I'll just be doing more of these videos for you, showcasing more of the finer points of this fantastic custom Bug. Thanks, guys. I did get a question about the rag top, guys. It operates great. It's open now. It was easy to open. The tracks are nice and clean. I don't know if you can see between the roof here. Cool rattan floor. Carpet isn't perfect. It's got some snags in it, but the interior is really nice. I love the headliner is all bamboo. I mean, you do not forget where you are when you're in this car. All right, guys, thanks again.